That's just gone in my ear.
Did it go in your ear? Good morning everyone. Monday morning. It's not raining, it's not windy, and it's not freezing cold, so that's a bonus. Hope you all had a good weekend. So let's get cracking on with the videos. So we only had a few cars turn up this weekend because that's how it worked out. So in the car park we've got GOP. This one's waiting to start. This one's been here for a while, so we're going to be starting this one again this week. Customers coming in to look at the white Mark 1. Silver one is done. Silver Mark 1, this had a new, well not a new, it's another viscous diff installed, so that's sorted that noise out. I think we're fitting some new uprights in the doors for this Mark 1 and doing a service on it. Not much else needs doing on it because it's so clean. It's a really nice car, that one. The engine has been sorted out in this one. It's gone for an MOT, but it's failed on a lot. And this red Mark 1 is coming for a intermittent fault on the rev counter where it drops down, and a couple of other bits and bobs. Nothing too serious, and that's it. I think it was just one car that came in at the weekend. Got other stuff coming in for bits and pieces, but we've got some big welding works that are going on as well. So say hi.
Hello.
What are you up to then? I always ask everyone else what's up to. What are you up to then?
Well, you can see, as you can see, my to-do list is quite extensive. I need to order a fire extinguisher.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is that for the company or for you?
That's for a customer car.
Oh, is it?
And I think what we will do is get him one of these things that we bought at a show recently.
Yes. We're not paid to plug this, but do you know what? We're gonna plug it actually because I thought it was a really good thing. So me and Garath went to. Hang on, let's turn the camera around. So me and Garath went to. Where are you? There you go. What show was it? Was it Classic Cars or something?
The Classic or the, I don't know, whatever the other one is, we did two, didn't we?
Yeah, so obviously having a turboed MX5 that's been home built essentially, you know, there's always a risk of something coming loose or an oil line coming fracturing, or, you know, just you know, it's not an OEM factory car, so it doesn't have the R&D research that goes in, so accidents do happen. So I wanted a fire extinguisher that I could carry around in the car, and then we came across these things, which are it's like a flare, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of like a flare, but it doesn't cover.
Yeah, it's a smoke, so it won't trash your car, and the amount of what this has got in it, basically, with the product is.
It's 50 seconds, isn't it?
Yeah, so basically this actually holds more than a larger fire extinguisher that you would have in your car anyway.
And you don't have to worry about maintaining it either, whereas those pressurised canisters you should really have checked every year.
So this will run for like solidly for like 50 seconds, which doesn't sound a lot, but it's very effective in what it does. So if an engine fire, which is maybe from like an oil leak, a pipe, or a fuel leak, this would put it out pretty easily and save the car, but not trash it at the same time. Plus, Jay Leno's got them, so you heard it on this channel. Cool.
I do have emails to do as well, not just order one of those.
I do? Yeah. Okay, I'll leave you alone to do that then.
And bills to pay.
Maybe we'll start this as a new feature.
And most importantly, coffee.
What's Garath up to? Alright. Roy's hard at it. Roy! Roy! Doing a video. Right. You alright, Ash? I'm gonna see Ash first today. So what are you doing then?
Waiting for you to finish that video. Oh, in this car? Yeah. I'm just inspecting the rust before I start cutting it out.
So it's Monday morning, we're doing the... Actually, I'm doing it on time instead of, you know, doing a weekly update on a Wednesday.
Yeah.
But I saw Ashlee poking around in this and I thought it'd be an interesting one to show on the video.
That's just gone in my ear.
Did it go in your ear? Do you know what? I couldn't do that again even if I tried.
Oh, I'm quite glad. I mean, that's
So what is this? Is it doing? Was it known that this was potentially as bad as what it was going to be?
No.
Where's your hammer? Oh, it's bad up there as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Holy. There's another holy. So what are we doing on it? Arches, seals?
Seals, arches, chassis rails, which someone's already poked holes in, doing an underseal as well. Yeah, a nice patch. Yeah, it's sort of nice and all the underseal's lifted there. See, it's all nice and brown underneath the underseal. Yeah, it's gone straight through there.
Has it gone through? Oh. Okay, right, that's about it. We don't need to hit that anymore. What about the other side?
Other side's solid.
Oh, is it?
A little bit of surface rust there, but
completely chalk and cheese.
I wouldn't say that. There is a bit of rust there.
Well, this is the chalk side, that's the cheese side.
Oh, it's definitely like Swiss cheese, isn't it?
Yeah. How's
Rails as well.
how bad's this side?
I haven't really hit this side.
Go on then.
It's going to be.
It's just it's held together with rust.
Yes.
Doesn't look too bad up there.
This side's a lot better than the other side.
It is, isn't it? It's still going to be quite a bit.
Hasn't got anywhere near as much filler in it.
It has here.
It has there, but the arches, you can still see some of the spot welds.
Yeah, you can see
The other side is all filler.
just sort of the line comes here and
It sinks
then
down.
it just comes down. There's a lot of filler in that. Oh dear. Oh well, you're gonna have to do a report now, aren't you? Get back to the customer.
Yep, let them know.
Oh well, okay, all right.
Bye, Chris.
I don't know. I want your torch. All right, cheers, Ash. All right, Roy.
Right?
I'm here.
Yeah.
So how's this going?
Slowly.
It's coming on all right. So on the last video, Roy was doing this side. Was it? I don't think you were all put back together, were you?
No.
You had it all exposed still, didn't you? So Roy's now done all this. Everything's back on. A lot more solid. And as you can see, he's just doing the passenger side. Not as bad though now, is it?
Not really, it's got to be doing all that. It's all gone through here.
Oh yeah. Cool, that's a bit... Doesn't normally go there, does it?
No.
Had a prang.
I don't think so. No, it's
Fubard.
Just a little bit.
At least this isn't too bad.
No. I'll have to cut that out and move it back because there's a hole there. I'll turn
Yeah.
that section out. Right, I'm just doing this in the seal at the moment.
You got your seal end plate in.
Yeah, just put that in. Done that just now.
Get the inner seal on and then gonna.
Do it from there around.
And then you.
Sweet.
And then you're out of panel. We're doing an underseal on this.
I've got tons to do in it.
Have you? Oh yeah, yeah. Alright, I'll let you crack on. We'll come and see you at the end of the week maybe. Right. See you later. Always busy. That looks exhausting, Jim.
It is. I'm just polishing my tube on the YouTube channel.
Well, at least you're not polishing your tip. Because that's down there. Because they're down there.
Yeah.
So has that got to slide on over that, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just shit off. Rotted through and shit off. Haven't seen that before on a Mark 3, but...
What, rust?
No, the rust is common, the position of it is less so.
Yeah. So, got a back box back on there.
Yeah.
And then a service.
Yeah, I think so.
So we've just checked the history on this, haven't we? And it's now on 61,000, but the last recorded mileage service was what, 30? Is it 35?
Yeah,
35,000.
But at 60k they want plugs, so...
Yeah, so we're going to give it a full service,
that.
plugs, brakes and stuff. That's what it's in for, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
Cool, alright. I'll let you crack on. Looks like it's a busy week in the workshop. Alright, so that's what's going on, everyone. Lots to get done, I think, this week. Which is why we didn't have a lot coming in, because we already had stuff that was like in and needed to get finished off. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Okay, back again. Not sure whether or not when I was talking about this fire extinguisher I actually said where it came from. So it's, I don't know if you can see that, it's fire suppression systems, and you can get them in different levels of size. I think this was at a show, it was on offer, but highly recommend it, even if your MX5 isn't modified and turboed. I think it's quite handy to have a fire extinguisher in your car, not only if it's just for your car, but you never know what you're going to come across on the road. I'd say what I just liked about this was the fact that it didn't cake your car in a load of mess and just trash it at the same time. So, you know, if you have an internal fire or something like that, you literally just rip the cap off, spark it like a flare, and then it just lets off this smoke which just chokes the fire. You know, and in that way, you know, anything that you've spent money on or anything that you care about, so not even that, even if you just got it for a caravan, your house, in your garage, anywhere really. Right, bye bye.